Don't make garlic bread before you see this recipe. That's the secret no one tells you. On top of an aluminum foil, add 2 heads of garlic with the top tips cut off. Add some olive oil, black pepper to taste, a little oregano, and the salt to taste. And now it's just closed very well. You can take it to the oven or use an air fryer. I'm using the oven and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees. If it's in the air fryer, it's going to take you 15 minutes. After that time, just wait for the garlic to cool and squeeze so that it comes out of the whole shell. With the help of a fork, smash all the garlic. Add 1 tablespoon and half of butter, a little more black pepper, chopped parsley, a little mozzarella, and now just mix until it becomes a paste. That's the perfect point. Now just add a little more salt. Here I'm using French bread, but you can use the bread of your choice. Spread all the paste on the bread. On top, add a little more mozzarella. And bake at 200 degrees or until golden brown. And look how amazing this garlic bread looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.